Leave her alone. She don't wanna go out. I don't know what to do. Can Talia drive, Malu? No. They're asking if you drive. No. Should we call a vet? I don't know what to do. Call a vet. Call a vet. That we have a fucking bird. I don't even know if this is a pigeon or some shit. A pigeon. Tell them that we think it's a pigeon. It's not moving. We don't see any broken wings, anything. She just don't want to fly. Sorry.
You must sound like a dumbass saying that.
You're not. If something else, say it. You're not gonna sound like a dumbass. We have a fucking bird. I don't want the fucking bird to die. It's so pretty to die. It's so pretty to die. She's not dead. She's not dead. Look, when I move her, she moves. She's not dead. She's hurt. I know what I'm saying. I know when a fucking animal's dead. She's not dead. Stop being negative. Jesus. You might not be one to be holding it. They have disease. I don't care if the fucking bird has disease. I'll wash my hands. I'm not gonna touch my face. I don't want her to die. What they say? Tell them that we gave her bread, everything. She just don't want to move. It's fucking fun. I think she's pregnant. What? Ask them if it could be that she's pregnant.
She actually has no idea about birds, but that it could be.
It's a fucking vet. How did I not know about
She
birds?
only specializes in dogs and cats.
So, call a vet. That's for birds.
But they don't see it. They're not gonna know what's wrong with it.
Okay, but what do we do with the fucking bird? I don't want to die. I don't want her to die. She's cute. She has blue eyes. Her wings are good. Sky, get the fuck out of the bird, bruh. Leave her alone.
Hey, what's wrong with you, bro?
I don't know what's wrong with her. She's still alive. She's moving.
I think it might be this little puppy.
You think it's a leg?
But like, there's nothing wrong with it.
Don't flip her that hard. Don't flip her that hard.
What's wrong with you?
Just be gentle. She's moving. She's moving. Make her
I
move.
think she can't walk yet.
Is the leg? So how do we put the leg back?
That I don't know. I don't know. It looks retarded. Look at that little thumb right there.
Yeah, I feel like she broke her leg. I think it was a cat, bro.
Hey, what's wrong with you?
I think it's a fucking cat. Bro, I hate cats. You should open her mouth and I'll put water on her. Like that.
Hello.
You should open her mouth and then I put water on her.
Let's try.
Alright. Let's go to the kitchen though. Let me get the cup. Take her outside again. I literally opened the door for her and she did not want to fly. What do you want me to do about it? Fucking throw her? No. Alright.
I don't know how the fuck this happened. Let me just
Drink water. Drink it. You need it. Open her mouth.
I don't know what. Hello.
We're trying to help you. Can you
Cooperate.
cooperate? Cooperate with us, bro. I guess she's pregnant. She doesn't even look pregnant.
Her shit stinks.
But let me wash my hands. Oh my god. Yeah, saying take her to the vet like if I have a fucking car. I mean I do, but I can't use it.
Look at this. It looks retarded even saying nothing.
I think it's her leg. I think it's her leg. I think I cat bit her, bro. It has to be.
How the fuck is a cat gonna catch up to this thing?
I don't know. She was probably knocked out or she fell off something.
Here. You know what I mean?
Put her here.
Oh, Hannah.
She just can't move. Yeah, it's her leg. It's for sure her leg. I'm just trying to figure out how the fuck. Who's Devante? Who's Devante? Wrap the leg and put pain medicine. Huh? Chop off her leg? Are you fucking retarded? Shut the fuck up. Nasty creep motherfucker. Guess Maggie knows how to drive. My mom works in an animal shelter.